guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some facial massaging techniques and also some facial yoga poses that I personally do to maintain tight and firm skin, and all of these things also help in bringing out the radiance on my skin and solving a lot of my skin problems, and at the same time also helping me in sculpting my face and enhancing my features even more, like sculpted cheeks, lifted cheekbones and a lot of other features. So if you want to know how to enhance your features, sculpt your face, bring out that radiance and make your skin tight and firm with massaging and yoga, then please keep on watching. Firstly, I'm going to show you two facial yoga poses that I do every single day. For the first one, you want to create a fish mouth. So you want to like press in both of your cheeks and create those fish lips, and then just start moving your lips like how a fish does, and keep doing this until you can and release. And you want to keep repeating the pose for up to 4 to 5 times. This is going to help to enhance those cheeks and create that beautiful contour on your cheeks, and it's also going to help to lift your cheekbones a little bit. It's also going to help to sculpt your jawline a little bit and help you in achieving fuller lips. For the second yoga pose, all you want to do is just blow some air into your mouth and keep it into your mouth, and then start moving that air from the left cheek to the right cheek and from the right cheek to the left cheek, and keep repeating this until you can, and then release. And again you want to repeat this for up to 4 to 5 times. This is going to help in getting those fuller cheeks. It's going to help in enhancing that beautiful glow on your skin. It's going to ensure that all of that oxygen actually reaches your skin and brings about that beautiful glow on your skin. And it's also going to help in solving your skin problems like acne, pigmentation, dark spots, etc., because of a lot of rushing of blood flow. So these are the two basic facial yoga exercises that you can do on a regular basis in order to sculpt your skin and solve your skin problems and make your skin radiant. Apart from this, you can also practice some facial massaging techniques, which I'm going to show you right now. Always remember that you need a skincare product in order to practice facial massaging. You cannot just massage your bare face, because that's gonna pull and tug on your skin, and that might lead to a lot of premature aging on your skin. So always go in with a moisturizer or preferably a facial oil. The one that I'm going to be using today is by Ayuga. This is their 100% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Oil. Now this contains 100% Kumkumadi facial oil and no other ingredients apart from that, so it's a completely natural product. And the Kumkumadi oil is made of ingredients like saffron and lotus extract along with 28 additional herbs, so it's completely natural, it's completely Ayurvedic. So I'm going to apply the oil first. I'm taking 3 to 4 drops of the oil and then squeezing my eyes and lips, and I'm going to hold this position for at least 10 seconds. You can keep breathing normally during this time, and I'm just spreading the oil all across my face, and then using my fingertips I'm gently tapping it into my skin. This technique is going to help to awaken the nerves of the skin, which will ensure better absorption of the oil into your skin. The oil is extremely lightweight and it also penetrates into the skin really fast, so it's something that's not going to clog your pores, it's not going to cause acne. So even if you have acne prone skin, you can still use this oil to massage your face. So now that I've spread it all across my face, I'm quickly going to share with you the massaging techniques. So the first one is for your eyes, and all you want to do is just with some gentle pressure, starting from the corners of your eyes all the way up to your eyebrows, start massaging the skin in upward motions. This technique will help with depuffing your eyes. It will also help to improve the appearance of dark circles, and it will help to delay the early signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Also, it's going to make your eyes more lifted, and it's going to make your entire face look more lifted and more awake. For the second technique, you want to repeat the same thing, but this time you want to fold your index finger, place it right under your cheekbone and start pulling it upwards. Again, you want to ensure that the pressure is very gentle and keep going like that in upward motions only. It's going to help in sculpting your cheek and creating that beautiful cheekbone. And for the third technique, you want to blow some air into your mouth, and then that's going to help you lift up your cheekbones, make your highlighter look even more vibrant, And even if you don't apply highlighter, it's still gonna add that beautiful glow. The next technique is for your eyebrows. So all you want to do is just pinch your eyebrows. And don't pinch it all the way up to your eyes, just keep pinching it in a horizontal direction. It's going to help in lifting up your eyebrows and overall giving you that facial lift. And it also helps in relaxing your skin, relaxing and calming your mind. The next technique is for your jawline. So all you want to do is just place your hands like in a namaste position on your chin, and then with a little extra pressure, you just want to move in the upward directions, like all the way along your jawline, and just keep massaging the skin there. This is going to help in creating that beautiful jawline, that very sharp jawline. And once you're done with this about like 4 to 5 times, you can also like go down. So you want to go up along your jawline and then go down all the way up to your neck, and this is going to help to reduce all of that fat and just bring down all of that fat from your face. Apart from all of these techniques, you can also just run your fingers lightly all over your face in patting motions, very very gently, and this is going to help in penetrating that oil even deeper into your skin, and it's going to help in getting all of that goodness of the oil into your skin. It's also going to help to improve blood circulation, which in turn is going to help to make your skin look all flushed and all glowing. So this you can keep repeating for as long as you can. And after just that 5 minutes of facial yoga and facial massage, you can already see how beautiful, how radiant my skin looks. It looks all flushed, it looks all glowing, and yeah, it looks so firm, it looks so plump, so healthy. Like I'm missing out on adjectives to describe my skin. That's how beautiful my skin looks, and when I touch my skin, it feels extremely soft, extremely supple and smooth, and so nicely moisturized. So this is one of the best oils that you can use for facial massaging. It's one of the best out there, and if not for massaging, you can also use it as a nighttime moisturizer. Just apply this oil and it's going to moisturize your skin, make your skin all smooth, supple, and give your skin all the benefits of the Ayurvedic natural ingredients that this includes. And moreover, this is very very lightweight, unlike the other facial oils that are like very heavy and they feel very sticky on the skin. This does not feel sticky or tacky at all, but it just makes your skin so smooth. Like, I just wish you guys could touch my skin. That is how smooth it has become. And it's got the goodness of Ayurveda and yoga both. That's how it's named Ayuga, and Ayuga is a very premium brand. It's born out of the deep knowledge of 5,000 years of Ayurveda and yoga, and all of their products are developed under the guidance of India's leading Ayurvedic and yoga experts. Moreover, all Ayuga products are made with USDA certified ingredients, and they are certified as toxin free by MadeSafe. They are certified as cruelty free by PETA, and they are licensed by the Ayush Ministry. So you can definitely trust this brand. It's a new brand out there. It's a very premium and luxury brand, and I'm already impressed with their first product that I ever used. Before this video, I already used this twice, and I was so happy with how this performed on my skin that I'm gonna include this in my regular facial massage and yoga regime. I'm gonna keep using this every single week for my yoga and massage regimes. If you want to know more about face yoga rituals, then you can also scan the QR code on the packaging of the bottle. At the back of the packaging, they have mentioned the exact Ayurvedic text from which the recipe has been taken, that is Astanga Hridayam. and they honestly disclose all of their classical Ayurvedic ingredients that they use in their products at the back of the packaging. So everything is very transparent. It's a very trustworthy brand as well. So in case if you want to purchase this Ayuga 100% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Facial Oil, then you can log on to Amazon or Flipkart, or you can also purchase it from Ayuga's website and use my coupon code Riya15 to get a 15% off. I highly recommend you try this combination of Ayurveda and yoga. It's definitely going to give you amazing results if you use this once every single week, or you can also incorporate this in your daily nighttime skincare regime and see the difference for yourself. It's 100% natural, it's suitable for all skin types, and it's so lightweight and non-oily, non-greasy, and you can see how beautiful it's already made my skin look with all of that massaging and yoga along with the facial oil. So I highly recommend you check this out. And yeah, that was my facial yoga and facial massaging regime. In case if you try out this routine or this Kumkumadi oil by Ayuga, then do let me know in the comments below how everything works for you. Also, if you want to see more such videos, then do let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely create more facial yoga videos for you guys. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.